As a business owner in Austin, you're likely aware of how important it is to maintain the appearance and functionality of your commercial property. First impressions matter, and a clean, well-maintained exterior can attract customers, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. However, the upkeep of your building goes beyond aesthetics. It's about preserving the integrity of your property to avoid costly repairs down the line. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked, ways to maintain your property is through commercial pressure washing. Commercial pressure washing is a cost-effective service that not only improves the cleanliness and appearance of your building but also helps prevent long-term maintenance costs. Here's how regular commercial pressure washing in Austin can save you money in the long run. Prevents damage from accumulated dirt and debris. Over time, dirt, debris, algae, mold, and other environmental contaminants accumulate on your building's exterior surfaces. In Austin, where humidity levels can be high and rain is frequent, these materials can cause significant damage if left untreated. Mold and mildew, for example, thrive in damp, shaded areas and can eat away at the surface of your building, leading to costly repairs. Pressure washing removes these contaminants from walls, windows, sidewalks, and other exterior surfaces. By keeping these surfaces clean, you're preventing the buildup of substances that could cause long-term damage, such as the deterioration of paint, rust, or rot. This helps protect the exterior of your building, which can save you the expense of frequent repainting, rust treatments, or more extensive repairs. Extends the lifespan of building materials. Your building's exterior materials, such as siding, brick, stone, and concrete, are susceptible to damage from pollutants and environmental factors. If left untreated, these elements can deteriorate more quickly, resulting in costly repairs or even the need for premature replacement. For instance, mold and mildew can cause wood siding to rot, while algae and dirt can erode stone or brick surfaces. Regular commercial pressure washing removes harmful buildup before it leads to permanent damage. By cleaning your building's exterior surfaces, you're extending the lifespan of your materials, ultimately saving money on repairs or replacements. Whether your building is made of wood, stone, brick, or stucco, pressure washing helps preserve the structural integrity of these materials. Prevents costly health and safety issues. In addition to physical damage, the buildup of mold, mildew, and algae on your property can lead to health and safety concerns. Mold and mildew can pose serious health risks, especially for those with respiratory conditions or allergies. On walkways and parking lots, moss and algae can create slippery surfaces, increasing the risk of slips and falls. Pressure washing eliminates these health hazards by cleaning the exterior of your property and removing any slippery substances from walkways, stairs, and parking areas. By regularly maintaining the cleanliness of your property, you're reducing the chances of accidents that could result in costly medical claims, lawsuits, or insurance premiums. Improves energy efficiency and prevents staining. Your building's exterior surfaces, especially windows and roofs, can accumulate dirt, grime, and algae over time, which can negatively affect energy efficiency. For example, dirty windows can block natural light, requiring artificial lighting during the day and increasing your energy consumption. Similarly, dirt and debris on the roof can trap heat, increasing your cooling costs during the summer. Pressure washing removes these obstructions and restores the efficiency of your building. Clean windows allow for more natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting, while a clean roof helps prevent heat buildup, keeping your property cooler. Additionally, pressure washing can remove unsightly stains from your building's exterior, maintaining a clean and professional appearance that can improve your business's curb appeal. Boosts property value. A well-maintained commercial property is a valuable asset. Regular pressure washing helps keep your property looking fresh, clean, and professionally maintained, which can increase its overall market value. If you decide to sell your property or lease it to new tenants, having a clean, well-maintained exterior will make a lasting impression on potential buyers or renters. A clean property not only enhances curb appeal but also demonstrates to prospective buyers or tenants that the building has been well cared for, which can justify higher rent prices or a higher selling price. Commercial pressure washing is a low-cost investment that can significantly increase the return on your property, making it a smart long-term financial decision. Cost-effective preventative maintenance. One of the most significant advantages of commercial pressure washing is its cost-effectiveness. The cost of pressure washing services is relatively low compared to the potential costs of repairs, replacements, or health-related issues that may arise from neglecting your building's exterior maintenance. Instead of waiting until significant damage occurs, regular pressure washing is a proactive and affordable way to maintain your property. By scheduling routine pressure washing, you can avoid the high costs associated with neglect, such as mold remediation, exterior repairs, or the need for a full exterior renovation. It's a simple preventative measure that can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Conclusion. Investing in regular commercial pressure washing for your property in Austin is a smart way to prevent long-term maintenance costs while maintaining a clean, professional appearance. By removing dirt, mold, mildew, and debris, pressure washing helps protect your building's exterior, extend the lifespan of materials, reduce health and safety risks, and improve energy efficiency. This simple yet effective maintenance solution helps you avoid costly repairs, enhance your property's value, and keep your business looking its best. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient way to maintain your commercial property, consider scheduling regular pressure washing services. Not only will it save you money in the long run, but it will also keep your property in top condition for years to come.